Venue was Alliance Francaise de Karachi, French Cultural Center, where London-based Senegalese singer Modou Touré enthralled the music aficionados with Afro-beat, Afro-pop, blues and folk. Crooning about love, destiny, origin, identity in Wolof and French.
It's a big honor for me to come in Pakistan, perform, and bring my culture, sharing with Pakistanis people, because it's beautiful. Because I come to Pakistan, found beautiful Pakistanis people, very open, very welcoming, and I hope I'm gonna come back again. Wolof is my first language, Wolof. The second one, French. Yeah, that is from Senegal. "95% Muslim, and when we say like hello or bye, we say InshaAllah. You know, my family used to be a musician, a big band from 18 called Toure in Africa, and they based in Paris, France. And the talent, the singing come from there. My father, you know, and I was grown up like music culture.